Hey there everyone, Dana here with CandleScience to tell you all about our new White Sage and Lavender fragrance. This is my new go-to scent for banishing bad vibes and summoning a little calm back into my life when things start feeling hectic. White Sage and Lavender is a clean, herbal fragrance reminiscent of the apothecaries of yesteryear. The top note of lavender gives way to a camphoraceous blend of chamomile, sage, and rosemary, while aromatic cedar and sandalwoods in the base add a grounding earthiness. Finally, an infusion of natural essential oils, including cedarwood and clove, reinforce the gentle serenity of this scent. Try White Sage and Lavender with your favorite soy wax and an apothecary jar and bronze lid to really conjure the therapeutic sensibilities of this fragrance. Keep the natural theme by leaving your wax undyed and a custom craft label from Avery. Soapers will love how the herbal notes develop in cold process recipes and other body care products. Give White Sage and Lavender a try, and don't forget to share what you think and what you've made by leaving a review below.